An epic Thomas Cup victory broke the glass ceiling while unprecedented success came at the Commonwealth Games as India took giant steps towards becoming a badminton powerhouse in 2022. Double Olympic medalist Sindhu continued to excel with 3 titles: Syed Modi International, Swiss Open Super 350 and Singapore Open Super 500, and capped the year with an elusive gold in Birmingham CWG before spending the rest of the season nursing an ankle injury. If Lakshya secured his maiden Super 500 title and also bagged the CWG gold besides 2 final finishes, Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty made it their most successful year ever with 2 World Tour titles, CWG Gold, and a first-ever World Championship Bronze. While Lakshya and Satvik Chirag began the year with titles at the Indian Open Super 500, the former went on to become the first Indian man after P. Gopichan to reach the finals of the All England Championships after another final finish at German Open. However, the true moment of glory came a few months later in May when a group of men, led by H.S. Pranoy and K. Srikanth, scripted an awe-inspiring run at the Thomas Cup, the world's most prestigious team event, to return with first-ever gold. Birmingham Blast. The celebration of this historic feat was not yet over when Indian shuttlers scripted yet another jaw-dropping show in Birmingham, returning with 6 medals, including 3 golds, a silver and 2 bronze medals in August. Srikanth, a gold medalist in 2018, managed a bronze, while the women's doubles pair of Gayatri Gopichan and Trisa Joly won a maiden bronze. India missed the gold in the mixed team competition and settled for a silver. Satvik Chirag continued to soar higher in the second half as they achieved another milestone, becoming the AFI RST Indian mains pair to win a bronze medal at the World Championships in Tokyo. The duo scripted another creditable show in Paris when they secured their maiden Super 750 title at French Open, again the first Indian pair to do so. The year was also a successful one for Pranoy, who emerged as the most consistent Indian player in the circuit with 7 quarterfinals, 2 semifinals, and a runner-up finish at the Swiss Open. Pranoy's consistent run saw him qualify for the season-ending BWF World Tour Finals and also earn a nomination for the BWF Player of the Year award. Juniors shine. The junior Indian players also hogged the limelight with Sankar Muthuswamy securing a silver medal at the World Junior Championships and becoming the world number 1 in the boys' singles. Tasneem Mir also achieved the numero uno status in the girls' singles rankings during the year. The para shuttlers were also not far behind as reigning Paralympic gold medalist Pramod Bhagat secured his 4th gold in singles at the Worlds, which also saw Manisha Ramdas claim the top prize in women's singles. Thanks for watching. For daily English practice, subscribe now my English channel.